First, I'll be taking off the sprocket cover, which will probably have a lot of horrible dirty oil in there. And then I'll be taking off the oil filter cover. Right, I was pretty lazy there. I just used a bit of rag underneath, but it is best to try and create maybe something out of tin foil as a little kind of filter into a bucket when you take that oil filter cover off, because a lot of oil will come out of there. So we'll pop out the oil filter, and then there'll be some excess oil still in here, so I'm going to clean all this out now. That'll take a bit of time, and then I'm going to take these bits outside and give them a good clean too. Right, so my bike takes 2.3 litres, my jug only goes up to half a litre. I'm going to put the exhaust on now. It could still do with more of a polish, but I can just do that when it's on the bike. This exhaust is actually a stain tune. They're made in Australia. I've had it on my bike for, well, about 9 years now, I think, but I do love the sound from it, so you'll get to hear that in a moment. And I'm just going to put a new one of these on as well, because the old one was completely rusted. Right, I've popped 2.3 litres in now. I'm going to start her up again and just leave her running for a few minutes just to get all the oil going through her system.